Morlino, can you hear me okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, this is cause number 2020 CR 1182. Is your name Stephen Mitchell Morlino?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and are you the same person who was placed on probation for 2 years back on March 2nd of 2020 for possession less than a gram?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's my understanding that you want to enter a plea to having violated the terms and conditions of your probation today. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And I know that you have an agreement worked out between you, your lawyer, and the state, but I need to advise you, I don't have to follow it if I don't want to, okay?
Absolutely. Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Kuntz, how long have you represented your client?
Well, more than 10 days.
And you feel he's mentally competent to go forward with the motion to enter adjudication?
Very much so.
Okay, and which allegation is the state proceeding on?
Don, could you tell us which allegation the state is proceeding on?
Number 5.
I do not have that in front of me, Judge.
I'll read it.
Oh, thank you.
Says, you have it, Casey?
Not yet. If you have it in front of you, that would.
I do.
Helpful,
Okay,
Judge.
so the state alleges that you violated condition number 5. They say that you failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of January 2021. Do you understand that charge?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Did anybody promise you anything to talk you into pleading true?
No, ma'am.
Anybody force you or threaten you in any way?
No, ma'am.
So you're pleading true of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will accept the plea. And what's the agreement?
And I'm sorry, Judge, I'm working on, I'm bringing it up right now.
Okay.
Judge, in essence, it's to revoke him from probation, give him credit for the time that he has and time served.
That's correct, Judge, except under 1244A, and I believe it's 118 days.
Okay. All right. So enter adjudication of guilt, revoke supervision, and 1244.
That's right, Judge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your understanding of your agreement, Mr. Morlino?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You want me to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I'm going to, I found the allegation true. I'm going to enter adjudication of guilt, find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of the original offense, revoke your community supervision, sentence you to 118 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244A of the Penal Code, giving you misdemeanor punishment on this felony. Is there any legal reason why the sentence cannot be imposed, Mr. Kuntz?
No legal reason.
Okay, then that's the order. And Mr. Molina, since I did follow your agreement, your right to appeal in this situation is very limited. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else we need to take up on this case, Mr. Kuntz?
No, Judge, thank you very much.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Mr.
I do
Molina,
have-
you can let the deputies know that you're ready to go. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I do have another case on the docket, Judge. My client, Carlos Robinson, I see him on the screen. Jordan Brown, the prosecutor, has asked to send me to a breakout room. So if Jordan and I could be put in a breakout room.
Yes.
Hey, Angela, I just noticed a potential issue with ours. Let me put you back into a room to discuss. So, Angela, can you rejoin 8?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Sandra, you're Mario Gonzalez's mom. You can be excused for today. He's not going to come back in here.
Yeah, we'll call up in a little bit. Sometimes we might just be waiting on your attorney. There was a guy here yesterday.
Can I just rejoin my own breakup room with her?
He
The
was-
paperwork I finished, I just want to make sure she gets it and all of that.
Sure.
Mr. Acevedo's here to approach you on a bond setting.
Okay,
Ernie, what case is it on?
Shane Brozino, I have a SID number. I was just conferring with Jordan, and I think we have an agreement to set his bond on an exposure case. I have a SID number. It's 1121260. The MTR is based on a new drug case that CTD has, and I'm trying to turn him in. He's remanded without bond. And I think we have an agreement to set his bond at 10,000 on the MTR, and I'll process him, and then we'll bring him to court.
okay. I mean, if you have an agreement, if you want to file a motion to that effect, I'll be happy to sign it.
Okay, yeah, I just got,
Because I'm not in court to like sign the D page or whatever people normally do.
okay.
Just send me an order page with the bond set on it and they agreed on it.
Yes, I can do that in the next few minutes. So just email it to you.
Yes. And I'll make
And then
it.
she can make me a signature box and I can sign it. What's your client's name?
It's Shane Brozino.
And you and the state agreed on a $10,000 bond?
That is correct. George just recommended that a few minutes ago.